All right, hello. We are talking about more middle and end sounds. We are going to say the word. You repeat the word after me, and then we will talk about the end sound. Okay, our first word is hill. Now you say hill. Good, and our ending sound is ul. You say ul. Good job. Hill. Okay, our next word is take. Now you say take. Good job, and our ending sound is k. Take. Okay, our next word is cap. Now you say cap. Good job. And our ending sound is p. Cap. Nice work. Okay, our next word is age. Now you say age. Good job. And our ending sound is j. Age. Good job. Okay, our next word is six. Now you say six. Good. Our ending sound is x. Six. Nice work. Okay, our next word is ham. Now you say ham. Good job. Our ending sound is ham. Good job. Okay, our next word is lead. Good job. And our ending sound is d. Lead. Nice work. Okay, our next word is mess. Now you say mess. Good job. And our ending sound is s. Nice work. Mess. Good. We have two more words left. Okay, our next word is neck. Now you say neck. Good job. And our ending sound is k. Neck. Nice job. Okay, our last word is fuzz. Now you say fuzz. Good job. Our ending sound is z. Good. Fuzz. Nice work.